In today's video, I will guide you through on how to add stamps in Adobe Acrobat. You can use this for professional use, for personal use. So it's usually where you can, use stamps for your personal identification or like some professional identification or stuff like that. So let's get started. So first thing, a little disclaimer, you might not be able to see the toolbar due to some technical issue, but that won't be a problem, I feel like, because I will be guiding you through step by step. So all you have to do is follow through and you'll be able to do it. So first thing is you have to go look for the toolbar. I don't think it will be a hassle for you because I'm pretty confident you'll be able to spot the toolbar since it's usually up front there. So go for the toolbar, that's the first step, and you have to look for the fourth icon in order to make sure you tap into the right icon. And once you tap into icon, you will be given this drop down menu with all these shapes, and you have to go all the way down to the bottom and you'll be able to see this option that is stamps palette. Tap into that option and now you can also import. Okay, so you can either use one from here or import. If you have a personal stamps and stuff like that, you can clearly import those stamps and put it over here for your identification and stuff like that. So I'm going to use this one that is approved. Okay, and I'm just gonna look for the place I want to put it. Okay, right here, let's say. Okay, this is the stamp. Maybe I want to put another one. All right, that's it here. So this is basically how you add stamps in Adobe Acrobat. I just used the one that's already there, but in your case you can totally import. That will be more better. So I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thank you so much for watching.